This video shows the structure of pipe assembly machine and how it works. The pipe assembly machine is comprised of a jacket pipe platform and a working pipe platform. The working pipe platform is composed of a V-shaped supporting bracket, double row chains, a driving motor, and a pipe pusher. The working pipe is placed on V-shaped supporting brackets and slowly pushed by a pipe pusher into the jacket pipe. At interval of certain distance, there is a circle of working pipe holders fixed to the working pipe, ensuring that the working pipe is in the center of the jacket pipe.